Hello everyone, this is Dimple Chandani of class 9 Taiwan. Today I would be going to explain you about igneous rocks. First of all, what is a rock? A rock can be defined as an aggregate of minerals. It has no definite composition. Most of the rocks are mixtures of various minerals in different proportions. Now, rocks are divided into three types: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. The term igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. Igneous rocks are those which have solidified from the molten material or the lava ejected from the interior of the earth. Due to high temperature in the interior of the earth, the rocks are in a molten state. This molten material is called magma. Magma is ejected from the interior of the earth to the surface through the volcanic activity. The volcanic material may be in a solid or liquid state. Volcanic material deposited on the surface of the earth is called lava. Igneous rocks are formed through deposition and solidification of this molten material. These are also known as primary rocks because they were the first rocks to be formed. Now, characteristics of igneous rocks. They are generally hard, do not have layers, and also do not contain fossil fuels. Most of them, besides being crystals, are impervious, that is, water cannot percolate through them. These rocks are not easily weathered because there are no pores, so water cannot easily enter. Igneous rocks are further divided into two types of rocks: extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. So first is the extrusive igneous rocks. These are formed when the solidification of lava takes place on the surface of the earth. When the cooling of magma occurs on the surface, the cooling process takes place rapidly, leading to the formation of small crystals. For example, basalt. These types of rocks are found in the decaying trap region of peninsular India. Next is the intrusive igneous rocks. These are formed when the magma solidifies below the surface of the earth. When the magma cools below the surface of the earth, the cooling process takes place very slowly. Slow cooling allows time for large crystals to form. So, intrusive igneous rocks have large visible crystals. For example, dorite or granite. These types of rocks are found in the peninsular region of India. Here you can see that extrusive igneous rocks are formed from the lava on the surface of the earth and intrusive below the surface of the earth. The difference between extrusive and intrusive. For example, extrusive takes place on the surface of the earth and intrusive below the surface of the earth. Extrusive is a fast process and extrusive is a slow process. Igneous rocks have a wide variety of uses. One important use is for stones for building statues. Dorite was used extensively by ancient civilization for vases and other decorative artwork and still used today. Granite is also used both in constructions and statues. These are the two statues formed from the igneous rocks. Thank you for watching my video.